In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit access to anyone with the link on Google Drive. In recent times, sharing files on Google Drive has become immensely convenient, especially when collaborating with others. However, managing who can view or edit these files is crucial to maintaining privacy and control over your documents. So, let's dive into the process of adjusting access settings to ensure your files are shared just the way you want. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Drive by navigating to drive.google.com. Once you're logged into your Google account, you'll find yourself on the Google Drive homepage. Here, you'll see a list of your files and folders. Locate the specific file or folder for which you want to manage sharing permissions. You can either browse through your documents or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. After you've located the file or folder, click on it with your mouse to select it. Once selected, look for the Share icon in the toolbar at the top of the page. It usually looks like a person with a plus sign next to them. Click this icon to open the sharing settings. In the sharing settings window, at the bottom, you will see a section that reads, Get Link. To the right of this, there might be a drop-down menu that usually shows Restricted or Anyone with the link. Click on the drop-down arrow to open up your options. If it reads Restricted, only people you explicitly invite can access the link. If you want to change this, select Anyone with the link. This option will allow anyone who has the link to view the document, ensuring ease of collaboration. Now, if you want to adjust the level of access further, click on the word Viewer next to the drop-down menu. This will open up additional access options where you can select either Viewer, Commenter, or Editor, depending on how much control you want others to have. For example, choosing Viewer means they can only view the document, while Editor allows them to make changes. Once you have finalized who can access the document and what they can do with it, make sure to click Done to save all your changes. It's always a good idea to double-check these settings if you're dealing with sensitive or confidential information. Remember, keeping an eye on document privacy is vital, especially in a shared workspace. So, by following these simple steps, you can ensure efficient collaboration while maintaining control over your shared files. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.